unveiling a shocking truth that has left millions of iPhone users in disbelief. A common practice believed to be a battery-saving savior is actually doing more harm than good. Even Apple has stepped in to debunk this myth. Here's the deal. Many of us, in an effort to preserve our phone's battery life, have developed the habit of force-closing apps throughout the day. We swipe them away, thinking we're being proactive in conserving energy. But according to the tech giant itself, this tactic is not only ineffective, but may even backfire. You should only close an app if it's unresponsive, advises Apple. The company further explains that there's typically no reason to manually quit an app, as doing so does not save battery power. In fact, it might lead to higher power consumption. When you switch to another app, the previous one enters a suspended state. It's kept in this state so that it can be quickly and efficiently relaunched later. However, if you forcefully terminate the app, it needs to restart from the beginning, consuming more power and slowing down the process. So what's the solution if your iPhone's battery life isn't meeting your expectations? First, identify the culprits. Navigate to Settings Battery to see a list of apps ordered by their battery usage. If you spot any apps that drain a significant amount of power and are not essential, consider uninstalling them. Alternatively, disable background app refresh for those apps, keeping in mind that this might affect their functionality. Another option is to assess the health of your iPhone's battery. Over time, as you repeatedly charge and discharge it, the battery's capacity diminishes. This is a natural characteristic of lithium-ion batteries. As a result, your iPhone will gradually hold less charge and require more frequent recharging. To check the condition of your battery, go to Settings, Battery Health. Typically after about 2 years or around 500 charge cycles, your battery should retain approximately 80% of its original capacity. If your battery's health has significantly declined, replacing it might be necessary. Apple offers battery replacement services at its stores, with prices varying based on your iPhone model. The cost generally falls within the range of £60 to £100 or $60 to $100, although it may differ. This service can restore your iPhone's battery life to almost new, offering a more affordable alternative to purchasing a new device. Additionally, you might notice an improvement in your iPhone's performance, as the processor speed can be throttled when the battery is in poor condition. Remember, understanding the nuances of your iPhone's battery management can make a significant difference in its longevity and efficiency. Stay tuned for more tips and insights.